This next set of notes is going to show you two theorems, the remainder and factor theorem, that use synthetic division to either evaluate a function or to determine if something is a factor of a polynomial function. First video is going to talk about the remainder theorem. So this theorem says if polynomial f of x is divided by the binomial x minus k, then the remainder is going to equal the function if it's evaluated at k. So I'm just going to write r equals f of k. It's a different way to do function evaluation. So it means you can use synthetic division to evaluate a polynomial function. And to do that, we're actually going to, instead of plugging in k, we're going to divide f of x by x minus k. Now just be careful with this. This sign here is the opposite of the sign in that factored x minus k, or whatever that factor is there, just like you would have from synthetic division. So you're going to use the actual sign of what x is equal to, or k is equal to. The remainder is going to be your answer. So we're going to do one, and we'll check it with our regular evaluation process. Again, here this would really mean the factor is x plus 4. So we're going to use the sign of the negative 4. We're going to do synthetic division, list out the coefficients, 5, negative 1, 13, 29. You're going to go through your synthetic division process, so bring the 5 down, multiply times negative 4, you get negative 20, and then we're going to add everything that's on this row. So negative 21, multiply by negative 4 again, you get 84, add, you get 97, multiply by negative 4, you get negative 388, and then final answer will be negative 359. That's the remainder, which seems kind of huge, but what it means is f of negative 4 equals negative 359. You want to check it, although you don't have to do this. This is just to show you that it does come out with the same result. You can plug in negative 4 to the function. And then you can also see here which way is faster. When you get good at synthetic division, that way may actually be a little faster than typing this into your calculator. You can take a minute to pause the video and type this in. What you will see when you do that is it does indeed come out to the same answer of negative 359. So when you go to do your worksheet and it says to use synthetic division to evaluate, you're going to use this process. If you want to check your work by plugging it in, you can, but that's going to be your final answer, whatever you get for your remainder.